Here we come to the elevator at Banana Republic at the Galleria Mall in Houston, Texas. I'm sure you guys still remember how badly this elevator sounded. Well, let's see how this thing's doing today. Still got the low-pitched chime on the outside, but I can't show it due to music playing, and that's the reason why the audio is muted. And being in a mall like this, I can't be this disruptive. Alright, let's go down to 1. You remember how badly this elevator sounded when I rode this a while back. Alright, we'll go ahead and end it upstairs. You can still hear that low-pitched chime still on the outside. I'm sorry I had the audio muted because music was blasting across the lobby. And we all know how YouTube copyrights are these days. So I have no other choice than to mute out the audio. I'm sorry, I have no other choice, so if y'all don't like it, that's too bad. I have no other choice. But anyways, we're gonna go and watch it close. Alright, there it goes. And that's it.